think I would take a gap year. I think that's a great idea of a way for people to do a service year or do some traveling or do an internship to find out more about what they want to do before they go to college. Because I did an internship after college in a different field, and then I later went into that field and had to go back to school because I didn't have a degree. But if I had done the internship prior to going to college, I probably would have had a better path and idea of what I wanted to study.
I wish I would have maybe looked at maybe some of the other colleges a little bit more seriously. I got into several other colleges, but I sort of fixated on those factors of economics and how much it was going to cost me, and probably I could have gotten more scholarships.
I wish that I would have had more people around me to give me a broader perspective of what the college experience could and should be. If I'd had more people around me who'd been able to guide me on that, I probably would have made a different choice.
If I had to do it over, what I really wish I had the tools and understanding to do was to think about the options and decisions that I had and maybe have more of a framework and think about what it was I wanted to do and put more thought into it instead of just going. Actually think about why I was going and what I wanted to get out of it.